Hello, martaomachel here connecting from Florida, and today I want to share with you how you can make extra income working online without selling. I know when you probably hear some kind of offers, you can make money from home or you can make money online. First thing that you put into your mind is, oh, I'm not good at that. I'm not good in selling. I totally understand because I was there as well. I was the person who was kind of convincing myself that selling is not for me. I'm not good in sales. Nobody ever taught me how to sell. I've never finished any marketing class on selling. And guess what? I believed myself in that. I kind of believed myself that I don't know how to sell, and I was stuck with that. But based on that belief, I kind of started thinking, and from my experience, I kind of got a way of how to work, how to make money online, how to have a profit online without selling. And I want to share it with you, the idea, and it's up to you if you're gonna like it or you're gonna use it or you're gonna just hear it in one ear and get rid of from the other side. It's totally up to you, but there is a way these days to make profit online without selling. So number one, you got to find good company within network marketing, because that's gonna be the base. You will need to represent a network marketing company, okay? Why? Because that company will give you already made product that is tested, that is high quality. So the product is labeled and the company will ship that product for you to your customers. So that's number one. And what else is you will have a marketing plan ready as well. So product and the marketing, this is all set for you, ready to use. And then number two, what you need to do, you got to use the product. At least try the products. See if the products you will actually like. If you're gonna use the products. When you use the products at home, let's say you're gonna be selling health and beauty products, it's so much easier to recommend these products because you're not pushing anyone. Actually, you are sharing your experience with others, why they should try these products as well, how these products help you. So once again, before we move on with the topic, number one, you gotta find network marketing company. I can help you with that if you need to know how to find one. Number two, you gotta use the product, okay? To be ethical, to feel that you are doing good and you are sharing whatever you are using, you gotta use the products. And then you can start making money without selling. Probably you remember old methods from like 10 years ago, and which was knocking door to door and selling products, right? Selling this and selling that. That still works, by the way, but not many people are willing to actually use that method anymore. Or home presentations, they do still work, but if there is a way how to do it online these days, why not to approach that? Okay, then. So what basically you need to be doing? Oliver, let me know if you want to be added to this video.